Artificial intelligence, or AI, has taken the tech world by storm, offering numerous solutions to complex problems, and changing the way we live, work, and interact. With the rapid advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision, AI has become an indispensable tool in many industries and domains. From healthcare and education to transportation and finance, AI has already left a lasting impact and has the potential to shape our future in profound ways. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of AI and discover the most interesting facts about this revolutionary technology. Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to today's discussion on AI technology. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a rapidly evolving field that is changing the way we live, work, and interact. Fact 1. Did you know that AI is not a new concept? The idea of creating machines that can think and act like humans dates back to ancient Greek mythology with the creation of robots like Talos and Pygmalion. Fact 2. One of the most remarkable applications of AI is in the field of healthcare. AI algorithms are used to analyze vast amounts of patient data to identify early warning signs of diseases and improve diagnosis accuracy. Fact 3. AI is also revolutionizing the field of transportation. Self-driving cars, powered by AI algorithms, are now a reality and are set to change the way we commute in the future. Fact 4. AI is also being used in the field of education. AI-powered tutors can personalize the learning experience for each student based on their strengths and weaknesses, making education more accessible and effective. Fact 5. Finally, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to poverty. By analyzing vast amounts of data and finding patterns, AI algorithms can help policymakers make informed decisions and drive progress towards a more sustainable future. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is a fascinating field that is already changing the world in many ways. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in AI in the years to come. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have learned something new today.